Do you remember studying density this year at school? So what do you know is to be true about things that are more dense? Do they sink or do they float?
I'm saying.
They sink. So what do you think is going to happen when we mix oil and water?
The oil's going to go on top.
The oil is going to go on top. Okay. So we're going to make a 1960s lava lamp. What you're going to need is a bottle, which Alex is using this Gatorade bottle right here. And I'm going to actually use an old mason jar. Okay. You need water, which we have a bottle of water right here. We're using warm water to see if that makes any difference. We also have a couple of cups of it right there. You're going to need some measuring cups. Okay. You're going to need glitter. You're going to need food coloring. And the magic ingredient, effervescent tablets, otherwise known as Alka-Seltzer. Okay? When you put them in water, it makes gas, and that gas helps distribute everything inside of your lava lamp. Okay? Ready? Okay. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is add water to your bottle. Okay? So take off your lid. And pour about 3/4, yeah, it is kind of heavy. Pour about 3/4 of the container full.
This is bent.
That's okay. You can see Alex there is pouring water in his lava lamp.
And wet.
That's okay, here. No one ever claimed that science was not messy, guys.
Tell me when it's 3/4 of the full.
A little bit more. A little bit more. Right about there. Good job. Okay, now you're going to take some vegetable oil and you're going to top it off. So I'll help you out with this part, okay? So we're going to take some vegetable oil and we're going to put it right there. What do you see happening?
It's floating to the surface.
That's right, because the oil is what?
Less dense.
Less dense than the water. That's exactly right. So oil is going to always float on water. Okay. All right, put the lid back on that container for me, please. Here. Now, we're going to sit here and we're going to watch it till it separates. So let's get a little close-up view of it here. I think pretty much all of your oil is on top. So, good. And on mine over here, for some reason, I still have a lot of bubbles, but it looks pretty good to me. So that's the whole scientific principle behind this, is density. So things that are less dense are going to float, and things that are more dense are going to do what? That's right. So now we're going to add 10 drops of food coloring, and we're going to wait until the food coloring goes all the way down through to the bottom of the thing. Do you want fruit green or sunset red?
Sunset red.
You want sunset red? All right. So you're going to be very careful with that because it'll stain if you get it on other stuff. But you're going to add about 10 drops of food coloring to your bottle. I'm going to go for fruit green here.
I think that's about 10. I don't know. I wasn't counting.
Okay, here. Wipe your hand off, please. Wipe your hand off, please.
Wait, this has green on it.
I don't know why it has green on it. Oh well. May I have the thing?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you. So we're doing a great job of getting food coloring everywhere. All right, so you're supposed to wait until all of your food coloring drops down, but it looks like I've got some that's stuck. Do you have some that's stuck too? Yeah.
And I have whatever this is.
So we're going to help that food coloring along. Don't put your hand in the food coloring. You're going to take an effervescent tablet, an Alka-Seltzer tablet. There's 2 of them in this package. But what we're going to do is we're going to smush it up. And you are going to add a little bit at the time to your container. Okay? Because if you put too much in it, it will bubble over. So take a piece, 1 piece, and plop it in there. The gas that is made from the reaction is going to help bring your contents of your bubble. Look how cool that is. So what is this coming out right here? What is that? Do you know what it is?
Gas.
It's gas, that's right. So you've also, not only have you done a lesson on density here, you've also seen a little chemical reaction. So by putting the citric acid, aspirin, sodium bicarbonate in water, you are making a reaction and gas is released.
What happens if I ate this?
Nothing. It's a medicine that people use.
For what?
For indigestion.
When do I put a second one?
You can go ahead and put another one in there. You just don't want to plop the whole thing in there at once because it will make a big mess. Oh wow, look at mine. And I think I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of glitter so that my effervescent tablet smushes the glitter around too.
Now I have... Wait, may I have some glitter?
Mm-hmm. Here, why don't you...
Oh no, it's floating. It's escaping.
Uh-huh. Why don't you take your glitter and sprinkle it in the top of this little funnel I made here.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that's good. All right, close the glitter because it will spill everywhere.
I don't know how to close the glitter.
Or you just turn this.
No.
Okay. Wait just a minute. There we go. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and add the rest of your tablet. Just a little bit at a time. Look at this. Look at that amazing reaction there. Isn't that awesome? So you can clearly see the oil floating on top, the colored water underneath it, the glitter. You can see the gas bubbles made from the reaction. And you can see these little pieces of glitter are actually just kind of hanging there, floating in the oil. They're suspended.
Wait, can I close this?
Yes, you may close it. Because that is what, yes. Here, why don't you hand that to me so I can give it a good tight twist. Hand it to me. And now you can shake it and watch the different layers of your lava lamp gloop up.
It doesn't want to work.
Yeah, it does. You gotta shake it good, buddy.
Oh yeah, you do have. Wait, does this give it more pressure the gas in it?
No, it should have had most of the bubbles out. But if you need to open it and let a little bit of the gas out, that's fine. So the last thing I'm going to show you is with a flashlight. You're going to take a flashlight like this one and you're going to put it underneath your lava lamp. You can give your lava lamp a good shake. And now you can see you can see all of the little tiny pieces of oil that have been separated up there that are floating up to the top. So why don't you try it with yours? Give it a good shake.
There we go.
And there is your amazing lava lamp. Here, shine it on mine real quick. You can really see the...
What if I shake it up and down?
Shake it up and down, yeah. Oh, cool. Look, you can see all of the little pieces.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so what 2 things did we learn about with this cool experiment?
Density and gases.
Yes, we learned about simple chemical reactions and we learned about density. So, thank you for participating, Alex. I appreciate all your help. And we'll move on to the next project. Bye.